So good day Kadrone, finally we got our DJI Neo. So a lot of foreign videos that have been reviewed with this drone. So I will talk mix with my language, okay? In Filipino language. So nakuha na natin guys yung drone natin. So solo lang tong kinuha ko. So itetest natin sa solo drone and sa mobile, okay? So first itetest natin yung mga quick shot niya. So let's go. Okay, so press and hold muna tayo. Press and hold. Then iharap natin yung drone sa atin. Okay? Okay, so start. Then hold.
4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so this now the drone. It's windy. Windy for today. So drone for 4 meters. Then it will be returned to. Okay, then you hold your hand and he will land. Okay. Then second we will go for the
Circle.
so we'll go for the circle guys, but we need to go at the middle, okay, because some trees here. Okay, so let's do the circle. Circle. Press steady.
Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Then start. Okay. So the drone backward for 4 meters. So pansin ko dito sa drone na to, mahina sa wind. Okay, tsaka ang ingay. Maingay siya. Kahit napakaliit. Okay, then he will return. Then put your palm at the down. Then he will land. Okay, so that's great. So second thing, we will do the rocket. Okay, so let's do it. Steady.
4 meters.
4 meters.
3, 2, 1.
Rocket. The drone will go up 4 meters. Okay, so next thing, spotlight. Let's do it.
Direction track. Follow. Droney. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so he will track you anywhere. Spotlight. Okay. So if you go anywhere, the drone will follow you. Okay, so sinusundan ka lang ng drone kung saan ka gagalaw. Pero naka-standby lang siya. Okay, so that's the good features of this drone. Okay, you can use solo without mobile controller or what. Okay, so let's proceed to the mobile control. Okay, let's go. Okay, so i-test naman natin sa mobile control. Okay, so i-control natin kahit walang remote with the mobile, okay? So gamit ko iPhone dito. Okay, so it's connected with our mobile. Okay, so as you see, I'm using the mobile. Okay, so we'll check. Okay, so we will take off. Long press. Okay, so this is the drone. I'm controlling with the phone. Okay, so we will get and test. So let's go. Okay, so up and down. Go up. So napansin ko lang dito is about yung camera niya, 4K camera. Hindi siya ganon ka kalinaw gaya ng DJI Mini 2. So far so good naman about sa price, about 12K dito sa EU. Yung solo drone sa Pinas nasa 10K lang ata. So i-test naman natin yung track. So follow mode tayo. So pauwi na. So let's go. Okay, so that's only guys our quick test. So I have only one battery, so maybe till next time again. So we will try all the features next time. So we will go for the unboxing guys. Okay, so far so good naman yung test natin. Kakabitin lang kasi nasa 15 minutes lang ata yung tinagal ng isang battery natin. So ito na yung unboxing natin. So solo drone tayo. Okay, so this is all comes inside the box if you purchase the solo drone. So we have here those propeller. Okay, so you got the two propeller, the type C to type C cable and the screwdriver. Okay, then second is the quick start guide manual and the drone with one battery. So pwede mo na siyang gamitin kahit wala siyang RC. Gamit lang yung mobile. So napakaliit lang siya. So mas malaki pa yung Pabo 25 from Beta FPV. So pinag-compare ko siya, ang liit lang. So till next time, abangan yung mga susunod na palipad pa natin about DJI Neo. So we will try all the features soon, okay? So na-test ko to guys, yung battery niya about 15 minutes, okay? So that's only. Thank you. Bye-bye.